This is a quick video on how to make the dragonfly. Use the Solomon knots. All you do is you bring the one strand over, then bring the other one over the top of it and around the back through the hole, and then just pull it tight. You do the third knot, you're going to leave it loose, and when you do the fourth one, you're going to pull the loose one, and that's going to make up the wings. Then you can do the exact same thing again, but this time you make the wings a little bit smaller to make the back wings. And once you've done that, you just carry on doing the knot all the way back down the tail. Do a tail as long as you like. I've done mine quite long. Once you've got to the end of the paracord, just chop off the loose ends and then singe them.